For non-zero vectors a, b and c, mod of a cross b dot c is equal to mod a, mod b, mod c holds if and only if. So let theta be the angle between vectors a and b, so that a cross b is equal to mod a mod b sine of the angle between them, that is sine theta, to n cap. So mod of a cross b dot c, we can write it as mod of mod a mod b sine theta into n cap dot product with c, vector c. And let's also consider alpha be the angle between this a cross b and vector c. So by using dot product we can write mod a mod b mod c sine theta into mod n cap, that is 1, into cos of the angle between them, that is cos alpha, so mod of sine theta also can be taken, so which is equal to what is given, mod a mod b mod c. So which implies that mod of sine theta and mod of cos alpha is equal to 1. So which implies here theta is 90 degrees and alpha is equal to 0 degrees. So from here we can conclude that A is perpendicular to vector A is perpendicular to vector B, and vector C is parallel to the normal vector n cap. Since C is parallel to n cap, so we can say C is perpendicular to both vector A and vector B, and A is perpendicular to B and C is perpendicular to both vector A and vector B, which implies that all the three vectors A, B, C are mutually perpendicular to each other. We can say vector A, vector B, vector C are mutually perpendicular to each other. That is A dot B is equal to B dot C is equal to C dot A is equal to 0. So we can go with an option. Fourth option is our right answer.